Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Suresh Achalia. Our today's topic is types of clinical trials. So, different types of clinical research are used in depending on what the researchers are studying. Below are descriptions of some different kinds and clinical research. So, treatment research generally involves in interventions such as medications, physiotherapy, new device or new approaches to surgery or radiation therapy. Prevention research looks for better way to prevent disorder from developing or recurring. Different kinds of prevention research may study medicines, vitamins, vaccinations, minerals of or lifestyle changes. The diagnostic research refers to the practice of looking for a better way to identify a particular disorder or conditions. So, screening research aims to find the best way of detections to detect certain disorder or health conditions. Qualifying of life research explores ways to improve comfort and the quality of life for individual with a chronic illness. The quality of life for individual with chronic illness. The genetic study aims to improve the predictions of disorder by identifying and understanding how genes and illness may be related. Research in this area may explore when ways in which person genes make hear more or less likely to develop a disorder. This may lead to development of tailor-made treatments based on patient genetic mix-up. So, epidemiology studied seeks to identify the patterns, causes, and control of disorder in group of people. An important note: some clinical research is outpatients, making that participants do not stay overnight at the hospital. Some is inpatients, meaning that participants will need to stay for at least one night in the hospital or research center. So, be sure to ask the research what their study requires. There are types of phases. The phases of clinical trials: when clinical research is used to evaluate medications and devices. The clinical trials are kind of clinical research designed to evaluate and test new interventions such as physiotherapy or medications. The clinical trials are often conducted in four phases. The trials at each phase have a different purpose and help scientists answer in different questions. The answer in different questions to scientists to prove and research and developments. So, phase 1 trial, the researchers test as experimental drug or treatment in small group of people for the first time. The researcher evaluate the treatment's safety, determine a safe dose range, and identify side effect. The phase 2 trials, the experimental drug or treatment is given to a larger group of people to see if it is effective and to further evaluate its safety. Phase 3 trial, The experimental study drug or treatment is given to large group of people. Researchers confirm its effectiveness, monitor side effect, compare it to commonly used treatments and collect information that will allow the experimental drug or treatment to be used safely. The phase 4 trial post marketing studies which are conducted after a treatment is approved for use by the FDA. They provides additional information including treatments or drugs, risks, benefits and best use. So examples of other kinds of clinical research. Many people believe that all clinical research involves testing of new medications or device. This is not true. However, some studies do not involve testing medications and persons regular medications so may not need to change. Healthy volunteers are also needed so that researchers can compare their results to result of people with the illness being studied. A long-term study that involves physiological tests or brain scans, a genetic study that involves blood tests but no changes in medications, a study of family history that involves talking to family members to learn about people's medical needs to history. So this is about today's topics, types of clinical research. So thank you.